Hey, how's it going? I'm Evan from HootBoard, and I am here to give you a quick demo on the HootBoard software. So here you will see our software in kiosk format. I'm going to quickly restart the software to begin from the idle state. So when no one is at the kiosk and it is sitting there alone, the software will bring up a welcome screen like this, which says welcome to City of Springfield, or whichever city or location you are in. After a few seconds, this will automatically go into our screensaver mode or our advertising mode, where every 8 seconds the image will transition to a new screen. This can be local advertising, national advertising, or just anything to promote the area. The options are really up to you guys. Once someone touches on the screen itself, it will bring us to our home page here. The home page is broken out into 3 different sections. The title header at the top, our app section in the middle, and our Hoot section is what we call it at the bottom. So the title section will display where the kiosk is located. It will bring up a map of the current weather. It will bring up an events calendar, and it will also have the option to scan a QR code or enter your email address so that anyone that is at the kiosk can take this information on the go and access the exact same information on web and mobile. Second, on the bottom here, I'll skip down to the bottom, are what we call hoots. These are content posts that can be posted by admins or even members of the community. There's different levels of access. But each one of these content pieces can be a photo, a video, a GIF, a PDF, as well as a map to where it may be located if it's an event, or even a link out to more information. So that is what we call hoots. The users can scroll through the different content pieces that are on the kiosk here. If we exit out, you can see that these hoots can be organized by what we call collections. So these hashtags here, if someone was looking for events, they could filter it by events, and it will bring up all of the content pieces that are only tagged as events. Lastly are our apps on the top part here, which most of our users gravitate towards. These are a mix of our own built-in apps for wayfinding, any links to existing content on the web, or another way to showcase the hoots just in app form. So I will start with our HootBoard City Guide, which is our primary wayfinding app for HootBoard. Someone can click on it. It will show them the location of the kiosk and everything that is surrounding it. If someone is interested in going to a bakery and they choose incredibly delicious bakery, it will provide them with the additional information as well as the hours. They are able to get directions step by step directly from the kiosk to this location. And as you'll see, there's a QR code here on the bottom if anyone would like to scan the QR code so that they have the directions once they leave the kiosk. That's very helpful. Second is our HootBoard Transit. So this is for any public transit in the area. If you have an exact destination that you want to type in, you can put in your exact destination and it will give you the correct steps to get there via public transportation. Or if you simply want to click a spot on a map, it will provide you with the different options of buses, trains, any sort of public transportation that you would like to get to your destination. Lastly is our photo booth, one of our most popular apps on our platform. All kiosks have cameras, and we will create custom overlay skins here specific to the location or specific to the city, where people can take pictures of themselves and then ultimately send it to them via email, and they can download for themselves or even on their social media apps. And lastly, just to touch on ADA compliancy, we are able to have contrasting colors, inverted colors, as well as enlarged font and app sizes, and the reachability factor for anyone in a wheelchair will bring this halfway down so anyone can access it. Lastly, we have our languages, which we can translate into any language. I hope this is very helpful, and thank you for your time.